To start a cash journal, we must first go to the Account Overview tab. This is where you will do the initial setup for your school. You will notice there are 3 green boxes. These are the only places that you can type on this page. The first box in column B is where you will put the bank account information and the transition date. The transition date is the date when you begin using the cash journal. It may be easiest to do at the start of a month. This information will not change. The second box in column B, on rows 6 and 7, can change as you see fit. They indicate the period of interest that you want to get an overview of. Just note that the beginning date in row 6 cannot be before the transition date. The green box in column A is where you can add any sub-accounts that are relevant to your school. This is customizable for each individual school. Sub-accounts are simply categories that your school has designated certain funds for. These are not separate or additional bank accounts. Some examples of sub-accounts may be senior dues, graduation, and senior trip. This is an example of account overview that has been set up. Please observe the top box has been filled in with the relevant school information. The transition date is July 1st of 2021. We are hoping to have all schools begin this by July 1st of this year, although you are welcome to use it before that date. As of now, the second box is empty because no account activity has been put in, so there is no need for a particular period of interest yet. Finally, the green box in column A has just one additional subaccount, senior dues. As mentioned previously, this may look different for each school. You are welcome to add as many as is relevant to your school. As a reminder, sub-accounts are expenditure categories that certain portions of school funds have been designated for.